Hey guys, so we all know that Google can do some amazing stuff. Like, it can even do a barrel roll. It's like a dog, do a roll. Or if you're bored, you can always solitaire right there in your web browser. I'm not very good, so I'm going to take it easy. But if you're doing a web search for a research project, it can be a little bit difficult sometimes to get Google to find them. Get them, get Google to focus, to get your job done, get your research done. So here are a few tips and tricks that you can do if you want to focus Google to help you in your research. Say I was doing a search for Macbeth, and I had an idea of a line I wanted to use that I read last night. But the only thing I can remember is I am faint. Because Google, the way that Google works is that it searches every piece of your search terms and brings up the most important information. I'm getting information from the dictionary, from Healthlines, from all these helpful sources, but none of them are Shakespeare. But if I go in and put quotes in there to make Google search for only exactly what I'm typing in, I get selections from the Bible, and there we are. Macbeth, Act 1, Scene 2, Page 2. Now, let's imagine that you have a part of the information that you know is good and another part of the information you're not quite sure which one of two options you want to go with. So something like, I had a line from Macbeth last night that I wanted to use. And remember, you can always combine your strategies. So I remember I wanted to use look font 10. I couldn't remember if it was Macbeth who said it or Lady Macbeth who said it. Always type it in just like that. Remember to use your quotes. And Google will go through and find only the stuff that works with look on't again and Macbeth, or look on't again and Lady Macbeth. And there we go. No Fear Shakespeare, Macbeth, Act 2, Scene 2, Page 3. Now say I wanted to only include stuff that has both of something. Now you can use the and or the plus sign. So say I was looking for ideas on how to stage Macbeth at my high school. I could search for high school play and bam. And there we go. There are YouTube videos right there about Macbeth. So I can take all the ideas that I need. Now, say if I wanted to search, limit my search inside of a single website so that Google would work all the legwork for me and I didn't have to do any of the real hard work. Say you could use the cite colon option. So say I want to get an audiobook because I have a hard time reading and understanding, so I want to get an audiobook to listen to Macbeth with. I can type in Macbeth, cite, colon, LibriVox. Google will search inside of LibriVox and provide me with the answer to my question. Bam. Now I have the Macbeth audiobook for free, just like that. So take everything that you've learned in this video and see if you can find your teacher's website. Put together a string of search terms and see if you can bring it up as the first option. Some teachers aren't going to have a website of their own, so be sure to use either the district or the school's website. That will work just fine. Happy searching.